Wow, the Learning Express is awesome! Yes, it is indeed. We've learned to count and spell so many number words, and we're in the next train car on the track. I wonder what number is next. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 train cars. What number comes after 4?
The fifth number!
That's right! It's number 5! And look, the 5th train car is a big dance party! A dance party in the 5th train car for number 5! Terrific! Let's do the 5 jive! Da 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 da! F-I-V-E, that spells 5. F-I-V-E, number 5. Use 5 fingers and 5 toes. That's the way the 5 jive goes. F-I-V-E, that spells 5. F-I-V-E, number 5. Do a dance for the number 5. F-I-V-E, number 5. Want to do the number 5 jive with us?
Yeah!
Right, sing with us. Yeah, that was an amazing 5 jive. Hey, what happened to the lights? We're outside of the cabin now. Oh yeah, it's nighttime here at the 5th train car at the cabin. See here, we're outside of the cabin, and it's so cold outside. And look, you can see the pretty constellations in the sky that are different shapes. Look, that one's shaped like a circle. And look, a triangle. And a square, and even an oval. Hey, those were some of the shapes we saw earlier. Well, I think we found all those constellation shapes here.
No, wait! My favorite one is still missing! Where's still a star?
There she is. Look, on the flagpole. Away in the distance, we see from afar a bright shiny shape. Could it be still a star? Her shape is quite different from any we know. She points 5 directions from her head to her toe. We see her up high and we see her down low. At nighttime we see her wherever we go. Come on, everybody, let's all sing together. Away in the distance, we see from afar a bright shiny shape. Could it be still a star? Her shape is quite different from any we know. She points 5 directions from her head to her toe. We see her up high and we see her down low. At nighttime we see her wherever we go. All right, your turn now. Let's hear you sing it. Stella's star is super amazing. And check out all the snow. It's all white. There are more things than snow that is white. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Let's sing about them right now. Come on. W-H-I-T-E, That spells white, sing with me. Milk is white and so is glue. Ghosts are white and they say boo! W-H-I-T-E. That spells white, sing with me. The clouds above, the snow below. Santa puppet's beard, ho ho ho! F-I-V-E, that spells five. Dot, 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 dot. At nighttime, we see you wherever we go. Stella Star. Da da da. W-H-I-T-E, that spells white. Sing with me. The clouds above, the snow below. Santa puppet's beard. Ho ho ho. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Wow, we're so learning a lot.
Yes, we're halfway through, Rubber Ducks. The Telephabets will be back soon. I'm pretty sure everyone's excited, but I wonder where Dizzy and his friends are. I'm gotta go get the clipboard ready just to make sure we got every number, color, and shape here. Da 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 da.